Thanks so much for joining us here for the News at 5. I'm Keisha Grant.
And I'm Mike Heidick. The state has now rested its case against Michelle Troconis. They finished off with testimony from Jennifer Dulos' mother. And she said under oath she had not heard from her daughter since that day, May 24th, 2019.
NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis has the very latest from the courthouse in Stamford.
Have you seen your daughter Jennifer since she failed to meet you at your apartment in New York City on May 24th, 2019?
No.
Gloria Farber taking the stand as the state's final witness in the case against Michelle Troconis. Prosecutors questioning her about Jennifer's commitment as a mother, demonstrating the 5 kids were Jennifer's world.
Between 2006 and 2019, did Jennifer ever miss one of her children's birthdays?
Never.
The state wrapped its case following Farber's testimony. Defense attorney John Schoenhorn attempted to have the charges tossed out, arguing the state failed to offer sufficient evidence to tie Troconis to any crime charged.
It is still my position that the state is not
proven Michelle's guilt on any of these charges beyond a reasonable doubt.
There is enough evidence to go to the jury on counts 1 through 6. And the motion for judgment of acquittal is denied.
The defense began their case with friends and associates of Fotis Dulos, describing his mindset in the weeks leading up to Jennifer's disappearance, including May 23rd, the night before Jennifer disappeared.
Even looking back in hindsight, was there anything unusual about that dinner?
No. And with the trial handed over to the defense, the state has their chance to cross-examine those close to Fotis Dulos in 2019.
Any part of the discussion that night talk about plans to murder Jennifer the next day?
No.
Any part of that discussion talk about plans to dispose evidence in garbage cans along Albany Avenue?
No.
The defense will continue their case tomorrow. We know that there are memory experts on tap. We're not exactly sure how the defense plans to lay out their case. We also learned today, contrary to what the judge said yesterday, he now believes we are still set to wrap up around March 1st. We're live in Stamford. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, back to you.
Kevin, thank you. And before the trial begins each day, you can always get up to speed on the case with our daily special. It's called Inside the Trial of Michelle Troconis. Shannon Miller will have exclusive expert analysis beginning at 9 tomorrow morning.
And remember, you can watch the live stream of the trial when court is in session on our streaming channel and the NBC Connecticut app. The stream goes live when testimony starts around 10 a.m.